Matt say to take time off, enjoy the holidays with family and friends.
So, it's Christmas week. There's really only a few weeks a year that everyone agrees we're gonna take time off. And so actually, we were doing pretty well. I think we made it to about Wednesday of Christmas week, and I was a bit surprised. I had not heard from Matt or Herve. Emails were really light, and we were all doing pretty well. And then I get a call from Matt.
A couple months ago, winter Christmas holiday, and it was the time between Christmas and New Year's. And I was still working and still doing stuff and everything like that, checking emails, and we were in the middle of a capital raise. Because I was in the middle of that capital raise going up into Christmas, my brain was still in work mode, right? I hadn't allowed myself to cool my jets yet.
As soon as I pick up the phone, he starts talking work. And I'm like, hold on to that. Thinking week's gonna be calling me, wishing me Merry Christmas, see how my week's going. Oh my God, gotta hold on here. Why are we digging in on work here? This is vacation. We're all on vacation right now. So Matt, where are you? I said, I'm out with my kids. Where are you? He's like, oh, I'm at the beach.
And we were down at the Jersey Shore trying to relax, but I'm still in work mode. And an email comes in, and it rubs me the wrong way, and it gets my brain going. So I call Herve.
So you think he is calling me? Man.
He and I kind of get each other all riled up, and so I'm riled up already, so I'm like, let me go rile up Herve. So I call him, and he doesn't answer.
Who do you think he is calling me? In the middle of the day, right here at Christmas, trying to have me pick up a phone. I'm not even picking up the phone from nobody, let alone Matt Faircloth. Dude, I don't even know why we're having a discussion about calling over the Christmas holiday. It's the Christmas holiday. I'm not picking up the phone from some Matt Faircloth. I'm not picking up the phone from anybody. It's the holiday. Man, please.
So, okay, I'll call Justin. And Justin's my more peace of mind guy that is willing to hear me out. And he answers when we talk, and he hears me out for a little bit. And he's like, what are you doing? Like, why are you working over this time?
We just had a conversation. Matt, this is something that we need to address. It's something we have to talk about. But let's figure out when's the right time to talk about it. These few days between Christmas and New Year's are pretty much, in America, the only universally accepted days that everyone agrees we're not going to bother each other. Yeah, we can get fired up about an email and go back and respond, but guess what? Even in the best case scenario, we craft the best response and we send it back. It's going to sit in their inbox until after New Year's anyway. I had to call him out. And it's not just because I was with my kids and I didn't want to address that email right there, but that it's so important for us to actually take the time and disconnect.
He just gave me the truth. And I really appreciated him calling me out, and I thanked him. And I was able to put the phone down in that moment, not think about work for like the next 4 or 5 days. Really just able to be present and enjoy my time with family.
Spend the time with your family. You're on the beach, for crying out loud. This problem is still going to be there next Monday. Let's set some time. We'll hop in. We'll address it then. But you have to be able to call out your business partner. You have to be able to tell them where their blind spots are. And in this instance, Matt had a blind spot. He wanted to hop right in, but I encouraged him to take a few days. And you know what? We didn't talk for the rest of the week. And he came back, and I think it worked out. Sometimes you just have to hear it. You have to hear your partner say, hey, it's okay. Take the time for your family. Take the time to recharge so that we can all get back and be stronger together when we get back.
Well, what I got out of that experience is that it's take the time off between Christmas and New Year's, because not many people are working during that time. When the whole world is closed for a bit, you should close down too, because nobody's really waiting to hear from you. The second thing that I got is it is phenomenal to have partners that are willing to call you out. I'm not sure where Herve was that day, but I'm sure he would have called me out as well. But it was great to have Justin there to give me real, honest feedback on things. So if you guys have partners that you work with that are just being nice to you all the time and just telling you what you want to hear, that's what the partner's there to do. The partner's really there to call you out. Maybe not so much be a jerk to you, but to give it to you straight. And if your partners aren't giving it to you straight, then what you got are friends, not business partners. Hey guys, that was a quick lesson about just what you want to expect out of your partners. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked that video, make sure that you like this video, click the like button, and subscribe to this channel, because we'd love to have you guys stay in tune with more stuff that we've got. And we'll talk to you next time. Have a great, profitable week.